As Ubuntu AI, our goal, our mission is to advance AI, right?
Mm-hmm.
But how can you advance it if you don't even know where you are, right, as a country? So that's a very important question, is that where are we?
Mm-hmm.
And how are we going to measure success? So we said, let's do a survey to get data of what's happening so that we're not working blindly or without understanding where we currently are. And that was a shared vision between Bongo Hive, Zikta, and the Ubuntu AI community. And being part of it, just shaping the process and getting to crunch the data, getting insights of what's happening. I think it was very enlightening. Some of the interesting key insights that we got were how AI is being utilized. So I think over 90% of the respondents are using AI in their day-to-day work. From the report, you see that at least weekly or once a day or multiple times a day are the majority of the respondents on how often they're using AI. So already that gives you an idea that there is awareness and adoption. Then when we now narrow it down, what AI are they using? It's ChatGPT, Meta AI.
Yeah.
Yes, while it's good that there's awareness and use, it's also worrying. Because remember, these are not locally developed tools.
Yeah.
So we have a high consumerism when it comes to artificial intelligence. And the other insight now was, how many of you know a locally developed AI tool? 10% of the respondents were able to give a local developed tool, which was worrying because if you look at our levels of consumerism versus development, a huge gap. So already that gave us the insight that there's more that needs to be done in terms of research and development and innovation. So that's an area that I think from the policymaker side, public, private, academia, they need to come together and look at how can we invest in research and development. It's not cheap. How can we ensure that students are producing quality research that makes it to the global stages? How can we start innovating in organizations? How can we support innovation? And by supporting innovation is failure should also be accounted for, because this is a new technology.
Yeah.
Don't expect everything to succeed. So we need to start having multiple experimentations with this technology and have enough budget to say, if it fails, we'll learn and improve. But what we currently have is our research and development is still lagging in universities. There's need to fund and take and invest in that space if we have to start developing our locally AI tools.